welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we're gonna be doing a beautiful, like, dewy, everyday, glowy, fresh makeup. So I'm very much excited for this. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. As I've already prepped my skin, and now for priming the skin, I'm gonna be using this NYX Plump Red Primer. And then we're just going to put it all over my face. Just like that, just kind of like spreading it all across the face. Alright, now for the brows, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. brow lift. I'm just gonna grab some and we're just going to brush it through our brows, just like so. Now I'm just gonna do the same on my other side as well. Okay, so now for the skin tint, I'm going to be using this Tinted Hydrator by Wet n Wild. I'm going to mix that with my e.l.f. Pale Glow Liquid Filter. So now I'm mixing in with my e.l.f. Pale Glow Liquid Filter. So I'm just going to mix both of these products together, and now I'm going to just apply these onto the skin, just like that, after warming up into my hands. Just like so. So now we're just going to blend this in dabbing motions, like so. This is such an amazing product, like my favorite skin tint ever, so good. Super beautiful, glowy finish, love it. It's not for the concealer. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's super blendable. It's super easy to blend, guys. This concealer is amazing. Next for bronzer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Luminous Petty Bronzer. So I'm just going to bronze my face with this bronzer. I'm also going to contour my nose with this. Okay, so now for the blush, I'm using this NYX blush. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply this onto my cheeks, on my nose a little bit, around my chin, and also onto my eyes as the eyeshadow. Okay, so now we're just going to blend this beautifully and seamlessly into the skin. It really makes me feel super fresh, dewy, and yeah, it looks so healthy on my cheeks. I feel like it really is such a beautiful color for me. Now for setting a skin, I'm going to be using this K-Beauty's HD Loose Powder. It's in the shade Translucent. Okay, so now we're just going to set my eyes. I'm not going to touch my cheeks because I like that to remain dewy. Yeah, just like so. As now for the brows, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette by Elf. It's their cream and sugar eyeshadow palette. And from this palette, I'm taking the darker shade and using that, I'm gonna fill in my brows. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side as well. I'm just gonna lightly fill in my brows, just like so. This lighter shimmer from this palette. It's actually like shattered and fell, so 2 of these shades are broken. But yeah, from this lighter shade, I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put this right on my inner corners, just like that, for a little like oomph to the look. It looks so beautiful and glowy. So yeah, I always add a pop of color in my eyes. As now I'm going to be using this No Budge cream eyeshadow from Elf. It's a beautifully chocolate brown color. So I'm just going to take this and make a beautiful like small wing out of it. As I just created a beautiful wing out of it, I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. Alright, so now for the mascara, I'm going to be using this Big Mood mascara by Elf. And before that, I'm just going to curl my lashes. Just like so. Guys, now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this Nude Sticks highlighter. It's in the shade Ice Ice Baby. Guys, now we're just going to apply this onto my nose. Right here, in between my brows, just like so. Just like that, it looks so beautiful. I'm just going to put some right here. On the other side as well. And of course, on the brow bones. I love putting highlighter on my brow bone. Just like so. Okay, so moving on to our lips, I have this. It's in this. It's called Bubble Lip Pencil. Okay, so now for the lip color, I'm gonna be using this Romance Juicy Lasting Tint. It's a very pretty color, so I'm just gonna use this. I'll give that beautiful glowy shine to the lips. Love this. As lastly, now I'm going to be using this Dewy Coconut Setting Spray from Elf. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider and subscribe my channel, liking this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.